like I'm floating through the air. My mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my...
Let's begin.
So this is working model of this project, wireless charger, or you can say wireless power transmission, and we are doing it using solar panel, battery and these coils. So let's start from the beginning. What we are doing, this is solar panel, 12 volt solar panel charging these battery, or you can say 15 volt solar panel charging these battery. These are 3 battery connected in series, that is of 12 volt, and this 12 volt is given to this MOSFET. Okay, and how we are doing this, we are using first IC here, that is 4047 IC, which is triggering this MOSFET, and this coil will get change in current, which will induce voltage on the secondary coil through magnetic field. So through magnetic field we will create one output here. It will be like around 18 volt. Okay, step up we are doing. So this is the coils. Okay, so let's see the circuit diagram first, complete circuit diagram, how the things are connected here. First of all, 12 volt battery we are giving, then we are using one diode to protect the circuit, then tank capacitor to smooth the circuit. After that, 0.01 ohm resistance to protect the circuit. If the heating is going on or it is consuming more current, this resistance will be burnt and we can change it for the protection purpose we are using here. Then LED for notification, then CD4047 decade counter to generate pulses, and this pulses can be controlled through this preset, and we have to control it up to 50 kilohertz using oscilloscope. We can set it. After that, we are using this MOSFET, which is again protected with one resistance for the gate current, and when pulses come, this gate will trigger these coil. Okay, this is transmitter coil, and this is magnetic field created through this coil, and for on the second side we will generate voltage. Okay, and that is the wireless power transmission part mainly. And again we are using one diode for protecting the devices connected in the front and converting the AC to the DC. Main purpose is AC to the DC, like rectifying it through diode. Full weight diode also we can use, but we will lose some voltage and efficiency, and because we are not using it. Okay, so after that we are using 1000 microfarad capacitor, 25 volt of its rating. This is electrolytic capacitor, this one. Okay, then LED for again notification, then 5 volt Zener diode we can use. Right now here I am using 7805 voltage regulator. Okay, so these are the components and some basic working of the project. So now we will see the outputs, how things are working. So first we will turn on this and we will see how LED is glowing here. Okay, show it to this. Okay, okay, so this is the wireless part. Now we will show some devices which will be charging through this cable. Okay, now we have to put it on this. Now it is showing charging. Okay, now this device will show. This is Bluetooth wireless device. Okay, same way different gadgets we can use in this project to charge them. Okay, solar panel, I want to show you something. Like this solar panel we have connected one LED just to show LED. So when light is not falling on this solar panel, this LED will not be glowing because we have connected diode for the protection, and that will always give current to the battery.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for. said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Hello everyone, we are from Xilir Technologies, New Delhi, India. We develop research-based component hardware, projects and products globally. Xilir Technologies has the largest collection of projects. On our website, you can get services like unique engineering projects, science projects, MTech PhD thesis guidance, self-learning kits, ready-made projects, hardware components, drone-related services, software and simulations, research paper writing and publications in top journals and conferences. We also provide patent-related services. So to upgrade your knowledge, you can join our channel. For more details, please check description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.